This is Rakesh Jain. By profession, I am a chartered accountant, but have been involved for the last 20 years in running an IT company. We have basically created our own IPRs, our own products, which are competing with global players. One such product is CRM. In last 20 years of my experience, I have realized that growth cannot happen without use of technology. If you have to grow big, you have to use technology in some or other form. Running a large organization warrants documenting the work. Talking about the CRM and talking about particularly the field sales force which is involved in running the sales team, sales of the organization, it is very important that one should be able to know what all they are doing, what is their productivity, what is their effectiveness, what things are working and what things are not working. All that can happen only and only if all the work of salespeople is properly documented. FSL Software has introduced the product Sales Mantra, which includes sales module as well as service module, which helps to document the complete working of the salespeople, present a lot of business intelligence reports, which helps the management to understand the weak areas and strength areas, areas where they need to work more, and areas how they can increase productivity. My personal belief and some of the discussions I had with our customers reflect that at least 20 to 30% of the productivity of salespeople have gone up after use of Sales Mantra. There is a downside. Sometimes some clients have said that after using Sales Mantra, we have lost 2 to 3 people in a month. My question to them was, are you happy with that? They said, yes, we are very happy with that, because people who were not willing to account for their time, who were not happy using the product because they didn't want it to sit in a glass cabin, it's better that they leave. The point I'm trying to mention here is not in terms of negativity, but in terms of the repercussions that a tool which brings transparency, which brings productivity, which document all data which are being physically incurred, can, and with business intelligence reports, can give a lot of value adds. And our personal feeling is that the sales and productivity can go up by 20 to 30% if the product is used effectively. The best way for you is to use this product by yourself. For any information, please call our website, which is www.salesmantra.com. Thank you.